my main sketch. Um, this is the bottom. This is hypotenuse. This is top. This is my height. Um, Look, this hypotenuse, yeah, I call this is driven dimension. What drives it is this height and this angle, yeah. First you have to do, because obviously you can't call it from here because it's driven dimension is just shithole. You have to go here, find it here, because you know how many is it. Just write it here, call it hypotenuse or something. Now it's your driven dimension. The trick here is to have this line. You don't need, just draw line because you know where's your pattern. Yeah, for example, your pattern goes, for example, from here to there. So just keep it like that. Draw a line there. This line was as well as I just show you, but it updates when you you know, try to steer these parameters, and therefore it looks fucked up now, but it's not. Everything is what is drives all the assembly is this, yeah, this height and all, like this guy here. And if you need to steer your pattern, yeah, we need to add a line like that here. After you add it line, just use this equal constraints. What the hell is that? What's called that? Constraints, yeah. Like one click here, one click there. That's it. Bam bam. And this here you call it just hype. Okay, hype. Because now hype is going because this is hype. Yeah, this is hype. This hype. Obviously, it's now going to steer our line here, and that line is going to steer our pattern. And you need, of course, here add something like minus 200 plus or whatever, but you're gonna to find out of it later. So look, just let's go ahead. I'm gonna show you something. Okay, I'm going to delete this. Look, now you are going to create fundament for your pattern like that you lately is going to add these parts in the assembly. Remember, this is assembly. This pattern is like is gonna to appear here. Obviously, it's all you can, yeah, you can see it here. It's gonna appear. This is old one actually, and you're gonna just constrain your parts into this surface because it's an extruded surface that we're going to make it here. Just look, take sketch, make a sketch here, just like that. What's important now, it's very important because highlight first the edge here, like that. Take it, very important stuff, remember that. Take one line here, like that, and one line here, like that, okay? Take, now you gonna sketch your you know, what's gonna to act as yeah, as a tool, your pattern. Those two lines are very important here because they are going to act as a constrainer for this rectangle here, yeah. So keep those, they has to be very nicely done, you know, one line here, one line there, and use 3 point, and bam bam. Now it's fully constrained and very nice. Go to extrude, just like that, and don't use this surface mode, yeah, just like that. Okay, that's it. Now I have this. Remember, what kind of shit is this? Now I created my first surface. I gonna to use this pattern. Now the magic is gonna to happen. Your feature is obviously this direction. Then you have to pick up our line this line that is steered by hypotenuse, that is steered by this. Pick up that line, yeah, because that line is everything for us. That's what is steer our pattern. So pick up our line here like that. Then you go curve length. Then you go direction 1. I don't think it does matter actually, but still I have it like that, and this is some kind of bullshit that don't touch it. So click OK. Now you have your pattern. Or not. Yeah, yes, you have, but just put on some many motherfuckers there, like maybe 6 of them. Yeah, you see there. So first check what you because this is video everything about angel, yeah, that pattern remains nice and sound even though when you change your angel. And let's change it now from here so that you don't need to go to assembly and add things on. Of course you have to test it here right now, readily, before you go to assembly and add things on. So let's put it angel like that, and what does it say? Yeah, you see it's updates. It's remain on this fucking tube, yeah, and that's what you really need in your life. It will make your life better. The next thing that you're interested in is obviously fucking hell, what is that? What is that in English? Distance, yeah. Distance from here to there. You want to correct it. So you can correct it just from here, by using because that's your line, yeah. You go to the sketch. You can just enter it from here. If your sketch visibility is turned on, you can just double click here and obviously steer it from here, plus 200 or yeah. Look, it works sometimes and sometimes not works. So that's kind of strange. But what I did, I just okay, I now know, yeah, because it didn't update. Even I put some motherfuckers there. It didn't update there. It's still like yeah, 70. Yeah, it's 70 there. So you just delete it. And you go in there and just correct, because you can measure it with your calculator, kind of how much do you need. So you can get it right from maybe if you do it 2-3 times, you will get it right, and then just go ahead and use it one more time. Just use this the same principle, and yeah, you will get that this guy right there, it will move sort of here, and you say okay, that's okay, you satisfied it, because it's gonna to be even distributed along that curve, or along your pipe. square pipe, or in that case rectangular pipe. So okay, this is the part, this is all the part. Yeah, now we go to the assembly here. Yeah, to the assembly. So I'm gonna show you something here. Your pattern obviously on this assembly. Yeah, look, so this is your guy. What you need, and it's actually, you don't need to constrain it to the frame, you know. No, that's not what you do. You need first constraint that one towards this one, put 0. Second constraint you need from that one to this wall here. Of course you can adjust it if you write, you know, 5 or, you know, -5. It will adjust, so there's no problem whatsoever. Of course you know that stuff, it's just and now you use that constraint over here, put 0 here, there, that's it. Now we're almost done. You use this is assembly. Just don't think about that one. This is assembly just to fuck. Now I fucked it completely, because I have done one video before, and my screen record didn't I was like talking here to myself, or like in 20 minutes, and I discovered that my screen recorder doesn't record, so I fuck it all the whole assembly. So, but we're just thinking about our pattern here, isn't it? Now it's updated from here, yes, and it shows here. So just use this, put your motherfucker right there, and this what's a peel, or was that okay, our pattern like that, bam. Okay, that's it, you're done. Now you can have just a little bit testing. 135, that's it, bam. Look, you have everything. It follows your curvature, it updates together with your angel. And of course, if you adjust your height, it will also update accordingly. Now I'm just kidding, it can't be height like that. Now let's put on 1000. You see, it's updates, no problem. So thank you very much for watching this video, fuckers.